Welcome to the A36 Pro channel. Today I will show you how to change your notification sound on the ZTE blade A36. So first of all, open settings by pressing the shortcut here, or if it's not there, scroll down from the top of your screen and press the little gear button. In settings, go to sound and vibration, it's right there. Scroll down a little to the notification tone setting. And here you can select from a variety of pre-installed sounds or choose the one you have downloaded or recorded on your device. Go to the music section and here are all the audio files on your device. I'm going to pick this notification.
You have a message.
Once you selected it plays, so you know you selected the right audio file. Now you have a custom notification sound. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the A36 Pro channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.